sorry, man. I'm just savoring the moment. Oh, taking my sweet ass time. All right, fellas. First order of business. Wait. One damn minute. I'm supposed to be the alpha, right? I mean, the only reason I'm asking is I'm a little bit confused. If I'm the alpha, why is someone who is most definitely not the alpha holding the badass shotgun? That is what I'm talking about. That feels good. Right? I mean, I never had a kid of my own, but if I did, I would imagine this is what it's like holding your baby for the very first time, except for it turns out my baby can kill people by spitting bullets at them. Daryl, kneel to the alpha. It is starting to get real now, ain't it? There, you were right when you said that I liked it. Fact is, I like it a lot.
You should probably shoot me.
Don't threaten me with a good time. Shit.
I'm Tommy, asshole.